Slider windows are a popular choice for Loves Park homeowners thanks to their clean design, easy operation, and wide viewing area. They're ideal for bringing in natural light and providing simple, horizontal ventilation. However, even the highest quality slider windows won't perform at their best without proper installation. In a climate like Loves Park's, with cold winters, humid summers, and seasonal storms, professional installation plays a critical role in maximizing energy efficiency, durability, and long-term comfort. Ensuring a precise, airtight fit. The performance of a slider window begins with how well it fits within the opening. If the frame isn't perfectly level and square, gaps can form around the perimeter. These gaps may seem minor at first, but they can lead to drafts, energy loss, and moisture intrusion. Professional installers take precise measurements and carefully prepare the opening to ensure the window sits level and plumb. The frame is securely anchored. Insulation fully seals the surrounding cavity. This tight fit is especially important during Loves Park's cold winter months, when even small air leaks can make rooms feel uncomfortable and increase heating costs. Preventing air leaks and drafts. Slider windows rely on smooth horizontal movement along a track. If the frame is slightly misaligned during installation, the sash may not seal properly when closed. This can lead to cold drafts in winter, warm air infiltration in summer, higher energy bills, reduced indoor comfort. Professional installation ensures the sashes glide smoothly and lock securely, creating a firm seal against the weather stripping. This helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures throughout the year. Protecting against moisture intrusion. Loves Park experiences rain, snow, and freeze-thaw cycles that can test a window's durability. Proper flashing and sealing during installation are essential to prevent water from entering behind the frame. Experienced installers apply flashing to direct water away from the opening. Seal exterior joints with weather-resistant materials. Ensure built-in drainage channels function correctly. Without these steps, water can seep into the wall cavity, potentially causing mold, rot, or structural damage over time. Maximizing energy efficiency. Modern slider windows often include double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames. However, these energy-efficient features can only perform as designed when the window is installed correctly. Professional installation ensures continuous insulation around the frame, no hidden gaps or voids, proper compression between sashes in Loves Park's cold winters and warm summers. This level of precision helps reduce heat transfer and lower utility costs. Supporting long-term durability. Improper installation can place stress on the window frame and hardware. Over time, this may cause difficulty opening and closing, premature wear on rollers and tracks, seal deterioration, frame warping. When installed correctly, slider windows operate smoothly and maintain their structural integrity for years. Professional installers also check alignment and adjust hardware to ensure long-lasting performance. Enhancing home security. Slider windows must close securely to provide adequate protection. If installation is uneven, locking mechanisms may not engage fully. Professional installation ensures that locks align properly, the sash fits tightly within the frame, and lift features function as intended. This enhances both security and peace of mind for Loves Park homeowners. Preserving manufacturer warranties. Many window manufacturers require professional installation to maintain warranty coverage. Improper installation can void warranties, leaving homeowners responsible for costly repairs. By choosing experienced installers, you protect both your investment and your warranty. A smart investment for Loves Park homes. Slider windows offer style, convenience, and energy efficiency, but their performance depends heavily on expert installation. In Loves Park's changing climate, proper sealing, alignment, and structural support make all the difference. When professionally installed, slider windows deliver smooth operation, reduced energy loss, enhanced security, and long-term durability. For homeowners looking to maximize comfort and protect their investment, professional installation is not just an option, it's essential.